Woo!
I don't know. Oh, my God!
That sounds like me when I go to the toilet.
Can't see him. There they are. Oh, my leg. Whee! This one's gonna be loud, isn't it? It's gonna be loud, isn't it?
Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. He's going for the full Monty.
Bang. I'm ready to poo myself. Woo! Here we are, and... Oh, Dawkins. What's that one doing?
Yeah, he said it's safe.
You got one.
No, that shakes for some reason.
I hate that. You're shaking for no reason.
If Guy thought Sadler succeeded, Hannah would have succeeded. We would have.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Mm.
Yeah.
I was trying back in my brain to speak.
Just say that, yeah?
And I thought literally it was...
Three nails going off. Oh, Jesus, I made me jump. Okay. Ask for the picture. No, I failed. Trying to do my count.
I couldn't get me in, so I gave up.
Oh, there's another mine going off, isn't it? It's all that smoke.
Camera away, please.
Oh. Bang. Is that behind us? Who's moved in? Woo! Try and get the...
That's only got to tonight, love.
Thanks. That is, isn't it? That's all exciting me to get tonight, love.
Oh, God.
I've got a headache.
We'll leave you to take on out with a bang.
That's not funny.
I've given up, though. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Love.
Ooh.
Firework. Oh well.
What do you think is that over there? Yeah, I'm right.
Actually, she did ask me to sit next to her, there's snow. Something else to snow. I've had enough clouts already today. How many have I had anyway? Yeah. Oh yeah, of course, I make sure I deserve them. I'm always in trouble. Oh, hang on, more. Yeah, baby.
Ready? There we are. Got some more going on. Whoa, what's no?
Bloody hell, what's up
They're going miles! Look, touch it to the roof. So annoying! I'm getting it. Oh my god! Go on.
You're going to explode?
Not a flash.
Yeah, no. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm not doing this again. This will hurt my arms.
We're not worried,
Alright.
Can you die quietly?
Woo! Oh, my eye. They're so high up. Woo! Oh, okay. Hopefully I get both of them. Jesus! That's mental!
Put the water out, that'll dry it.
Whoa!
There's always one, isn't there?
Catherine Wheel!
Alan really wanted to come.
It's moving!
Oh, I saw it! Oh, that's definitely got it. Well, that's not come from here.
Sorry, that's a silly. Yeah, go baby, go on. You watch the goalpost fly away in a minute. Whee!
Stop it now. Whoa!
I wish you wouldn't do that.
Shotgun.
Ooh.
Where are they? Oh, I've got a good one on that. Let's brace yourself for that one. Whee!
Yeah, what about me?
I don't know what you think to me today.
Yeah. That's what I used.
Well, you're not
Oh, it's so red.
Woo!
I missed that, Dad. Oh, please make me do it.
I'm gonna want it.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice smell, that one.
You can tell with
Yeah,
the
sorry
rocket.
about that.
I was waiting for that one. No, I couldn't do it.
Oh.
That's the edge blown up.
Which way did that? I did that. What happened? Have it done. Yeah, it was, yeah.
Look at that one, man.
That's smiling, that's smiling.
Whoa.
My head's resting on the metal bit. That's what stopped it. Whoa. Okay, that's quite loud. That's quite... Okay, okay. Oh, she's supposed to jump. Ready? Boom. Oh, she's supposed to jump. Didn't see that one.
Yeah, that's the absolute truth. What was that one? Was it?
Yeah, it's just
Oh, yeah, I see it.
And the weaker over there.
And if you look over this side, you can see me Uranus. Or Uranus, or whatever they call it. That's the one.
Certainly not mine.
Don't say you're hitting the angel again.
So it takes me years to get around Uranus. Woo!
My misbehaviour, I blame you.
Missed up.
That's a whopper.
You can buy some barbecue at Tuesday.
Whoa.
That one looks pretty good.
Noisy, isn't it?
Yeah, they're quite nice actually. Sorry, explosive bombs. It's like chili, Mum. Quite nice actually. What's that? I should be a photographer. Where's that one? Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Can't see the stars. Oh, you can, kind of. Last night. Oh. Okay, I went miles. Woo! Where's the bang? Where's the bang? Where's the bang?
Oh, there's nice.
Yeah, wasn't it? Woo! I just went for a massive explosion. There you go. La 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 la.
I maybe he's not blind like that guy. I may be blind, but
Oh, that was Stevie Wonder. Stevie Wonder. I was going to say it. It's Stevie Wonder.
Woo!
That's quite nice.
Most cases blind, but they see far more than any of us do.
Yeah!
Oh crap.
Oh, that's right. I like those.
They're nice and blue, aren't they?
Probably once King's done or something, cover.
I'll record the thing. I'll just record them.
Woo!
They're nice.
That went a long way, didn't it?
I'm more interested in the video now. Oh, that was good. There, I'll
Oh, yes, baby.
He just came.
I've got a date now.
The lights on now, the lights on now. Okay, that's the shed door shut.
Shutting themselves in that shed, I'm getting a bit worried now. Oh no, they're not there.
what do you think they would do in the shed anyway?
You and I are over the fireworks.
Do all the fireworks.
No, you dirty boy! Get my shoe in the way. Look. I'm just going to record it and look into the sky.
Really? What have you done? The small ones are done.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
I bet the meteor was just lined up going, whoa! Oh, I got perfect view of that one.
They're getting higher and
Yeah, isn't it? They're getting higher! That's quite nice. Woo! Maybe I can see it. Where's that? Where's that?
Whoa!
Wow.
Whoa!
Are they kings?
That's not the gift. That's huge.
Good.
Woo!
I was waiting for which one they were going to do. Okay. I think they're just boring now.
What are you going to explode?
Bang! That one's going to explode. Woo! Nah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
I think that one needed to go a bit higher. And
Oh, no, shoot that.
Three of them as well.
God's having a little fag.
A little one.
God damn it.
Mum, I thought I just saw a third of another shooting star.
A third.
I didn't really know, because I looked right and it just disappears. I didn't know if it was a shooting star.
Yeah. Even though you just got them light things in your eyes.
Oh, but they go for unexploded.
God damn it.
Sorry, it was Superman again.
Yeah, but them stones can be made of kryptonite.
He's around here to do the fireworks. Even Superman can't resist them, and then there's the prison, and then there's Barack Obama being eaten. Alright, no. Like stuff so Obama, we're looking at fireworks. And stars.
And stars, yeah. There's loads of them, isn't there?
Hello?
Matthew,
Yeah?
be quiet.
It's nice just watching the stars, isn't it?
It's a problem if people are watching it.
The fireworks are the stars.
Pretty much the whole street will be watching it.
And campaign slade.
And the North Sea.
Oh, cool. I'm just gonna, every time we stop, I'm gonna look for some shooting stars. What if one just went like down and went straight over the roof like an airplane?
Oh. Whoa.
Oh.
They're all outside the building now. Yeah. Whoa.
It's red.
Whoa.
Oh, that reminds me of Christmas. What did you make
Jesus, I need to...
Head out, Biggin.
Yeah.
You did.
Right, the other thing is
Was that me?
One.
Oh. Hell.
wow.
Holy. Ooh. Yeah.
That's all right.
Look at that!
Killed it.
Look at that sexiness!
That's so close.
I'll tell you what, my reactor glasses are not working. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, hey, there goes that one.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's still way up.
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh, that's still glittering, man.
They've got a bigger gob.
Yeah!
Oh, I love it.
Oh, hang on.
Rocket!
Lovely.
The other half of it.